In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a discount code in your Shopify store. So you can do this for your entire store or just a certain product. So what you want to do is sign into your store, go to the home page, and then what I like to do is simply click on the search bar, and then all you need to do is search for discount. So I'm going to do that right now. Right there, you'll find quick actions and resources. So if you want to learn more about this, you can go to resources. But if you just want to do this right away, click on create discount under quick actions. And then this is where you can create a discount. So for example, let's say that you want to give a 20% discount in the winter. You can do like winter 20, right? That would then be the discount code. So you can do a percentage discount, a fixed amount, free shipping, or buy X, get Y. For now, I'll just go with a percentage, which is then 20%, right? So winter 20 is the discount code, which will give them a 20% discount. Applies to. You can choose to do this on your entire store, so all products, specific collections, or specific products, which you can then search for right here. So I'll just go with the entire store. Minimum requirements, none. You can do a minimum purchase amount. So for example, let's say you want to get people to purchase more, to pay more, like get higher orders. You can say like a 20% discount with a minimum amount of like 150 or 200 euros, right? So you're going to incentivize people to pay or to buy more in your store basically. So let's say 200. If they then buy for more than 200 euros, they can get a 20% off. And that's how this works. So you can do usage limits. You can then also choose the date. So start date, which would be today, right now. Set end date, for example. Let's say that I want to end this at the 31st of December. You can do that. And then all you need to do is click on save discount code right there. And that's how you can save a discount code. So as you can see right there, it's now created successfully. So that's how you can do this. If this quick video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you in the next one.